Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. So DOT is pushing higher but has not yet reached the next upside Fibonacci level at 1238. I only made a video yesterday, explained to you that we can see this here as an A, B, C structure in the white scenario, which could then lead to new lows maybe in the next major correction. However, that's obviously not a given. That's at the moment the primary scenario. But even in this scenario, we're watching for higher prices, possibly into the upper half of that target zone here around $19.80, so like the $20 area, maybe even $26.57. So I'm looking at this area as a potential target. What I'd like to see is that the price pushes above the March high. We haven't done that yet, but many other coins are already breaking above the March high. I think VeChain has accomplished it today or is working on it right now. But yeah, I would like to see, even in this white C wave, a 5-wave pattern to the upside, because we're dealing with a C wave. Or alternatively, in the yellow scenario, it's a 3rd wave, but then also this should get a 5-wave move. And it depends to a degree on the extension that we're reaching. So, but we will talk about that further in future videos. For now, yes, the focus is certainly on higher prices, absolutely, in the short term. And we have to consider, though, that Circle Wave 3 might complete at any point. In this case, then, the previously communicated support area, which is on the chart in orange between 555 and 840, will be relevant. Yeah, DOT still has a lot to prove. If we want to consider the yellow scenario, then DOT first needs to form all 5 waves anyway, reach at least 1980, hold a higher low in wave 4, ideally avoid a break into the wave 1 price region, which is the March high, and form one more high in wave 5. Yeah, so this is what we want to see. In this case, ideally, yellow wave 3 would even extend above 1980. So maybe we talk about the $30 area. Whereas in the white scenario, if we're really dealing with a C wave in the white wave 2, the price should normally not break and sustain above that 78.6 retracement at $30.42. Naturally, that will be a strong resistance level going forward. But hey, you know, for now, in both scenarios, they're moving together, they're running together alongside each other, and they should both push higher. And in both scenarios, we'd like to see a 4-5 pattern, right? So looking at the shorter time frame or smaller time frame, the price has actually successfully reacted to the micro support area. This is good to see. So the price has worked on their setup, fulfilled it, reacted, running higher now, and it seems as if the price is now on the way to that next upside target. Quick reminder on the larger time frame, 1238. So it's the 100% extension of the initial rally. And that is just an ideal target, typically, and strong resistance normally as well. Doesn't mean that's VeChain, doesn't mean the price has to stop there. Actually, I'd even like to see another 4-5 pattern if it works and if possible, but it's not needed. Circle Wave 3 is already extended enough. I hope I've made that clear. So at this stage, it shouldn't be any surprise if the price breaks below support, but I would still prefer at least that one more high, maybe another higher low and another higher high. I will provide probably tomorrow another support area for the next wave 4, but only when we make a new high, because at the moment the previous support area remains relevant because we haven't even broken above the high. So for now, any pullback needs to stay above 749. If not, then we're dealing already with Circle Wave 4, which has support at 555, obviously, right? But until that 749 level is broken, I would prefer at least, I'd say, one more high, maybe 2, but then we will probably also break above 1238, which is absolutely okay in this scenario, and we could then get to 1393, which is the first Fibonacci retracement, or 1657, which means in the short term, I don't think there is anything to do. The price reacted to the support area. Once we move higher and get the signals of the next pullback, I can offer the next support region for the next setup on the smaller time frame. That's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.